It's called the Book Nook. It's a vending machine, not just any vending machine. It doesn't have snacks, but it has books and that take you to the world. And that's one of the things that we're promoting. That's what it will do. They have a group of tokens that they can earn by awards, attendance, birthdays. Many different schools use them for various reasons, but it is always to build and promote literacy.
I'm really shocked, because I didn't think that, our school would be picked to have a claw machine for like people to keep books and get books, because I love reading and I read all the time and I love it.
I chose the great Pet Heist because it just looked interesting and the name Butterbean really lured me in.
We're so excited for this opportunity to have a vending machine here in our library. This is just one of the many ways that Hazelwood and Library Media Services Department is working to ensure that all students have access to high-quality books.
20,000
which one?
fleas under the sea.
Cool. And how excited are you about this?
Which book?
I'm excited
33?
because I can read the book at home.
Foundational literacy is the key for our younger students, as well as our older students, as well as building background knowledge. That is something that we often miss when it comes to learning how to read and reading to learn.
They get to keep these books. They are theirs to own. We are building family and community libraries.
Because you can take the books that you want out, and it goes really fast.
Just learning about new books gets me excited every time, especially I love getting it from the library, but the thing I don't like about it is when you have to give them back. So being able to get one from the library, especially keeping it for however you want, is very shocking and exciting. So I think this is going to be a good experience.
Thank you.